Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2,752nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, another video that's going to be one of these, a desktop shoot. My editor, David, love David to death, but he's been a little bit ill lately and he hasn't been able to come film. So I'll give you another one of these videos, but I wanted to be quick anyway, and to get out a quick video, it's got to be one of these types. Risky, risky, risky. Trading is risky of any nature. Please don't trade unless you know the risks behind trading, and put your stops in first before you ever establish an open position. NASDAQ daily bar for trading on Friday, May 17th, 2024. And all I can say is, when we see a double top, we sell a double top, and that is the prescription that I'm prescribing for trading on Friday. The market's tried to go up a little and get past the double top. No dice. It is proving itself that it is a double top. At least a one-day pause coming our way next. More than a day, we'll see. We'll take it one day at a time. We're day traders, but we will be selling rallies in your NASDAQ, maybe even S&P for trading on Friday. The old adage, we're going to follow it, because just about any time you see a double top, it does give you a pullback of some nature. And we're day traders. We only need one day. So I wanted you to see that. Remember, we are sellers of rallies. Join me at livewithoscar.com. I'll see if I can help you out on where you can get in to NASDAQ, S&P, or maybe Russell. And I will see you there. Remember to keep your emotions out of trading, kids. Remember, don't trade emotionally. There's a double top. It's supposed to work. Get short, see what happens. If you need to know where, join me at livewithoscar.com. Otherwise, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders, put your stops in first, just in case somehow this double top is the rare one that doesn't work. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.